Hi, so I'm back again with another video sharing with you guys the little BK and AP, the little Ateliers mini shoulder bag. I have a couple other little prior videos for you. Today I'm going to share with you, and I have a few more patches, but I haven't attached the extra patches. So these are the three I'm thinking about adding. I don't know. I've added this one to one of my traveler's notebooks in a recent video. It's just so cute, but we'll see. I have a few, I really like that. Oh my goodness, that is really feeling like it for me. I think that's gonna be my next little add-ons. And then I think I wanna save some space for future patches on my travels, but we'll see. I'm keeping you in the loop on everything. So, let me share with you another option of things you can carry with you. Today the bag's a little folder, but nothing overstuffed, bulging out anywhere. It's just a little more full with a little more goodies for on the go. And this is items I brought for sketching, art journaling, and so on. And you could see right out the gate, it is a lot more full, a lot more items. So good. Again, nothing squished. Everything's in here super easily. It's so wonderful. Okay. Sorry about the bump there. So, let me think what I could share with you based off some questions. The colors I mentioned before. The sizing, I give like a quick little sizing. But on the BK site, they have an actual link with all the info, and that's in the description I have here for you guys. Also, I have a link for their video of the request that they had received to make a video to share what fits in here. So here's another way to carry items in the cutest little mini shoulder bag. It is a lightweight, super lovely canvas bag. If you haven't watched my other videos, they're going to be all linked in the description and at the end of the video. I would definitely say it's a must to take a look. Okay, so I have in here my little Travelers Company passport, nice and full. I have from Nico Neko a little snap pouch with some earphones, and I have a little Pagan All pouch. This pouch comes from their trio size, so I was asked that before. This size is not like an individual one, but they have this one called the trio, and this is the smallest one in the trio. And just know it fits nicely if you like to use the little glue sticks, which I love them. There's plenty of space, so it, but not a ton, where it's just floating around in there. It's just kind of perfect, that and little travel scissors and mini tape runners and a little mini pen and so on. It's just like the perfect little size, and this is in their trio. And okay, then I have my Pagan All Scholar pouch. Is it the Scholar? Let's make sure. Let's see. Yes, Scholar pouch. Love this size so much. It's so good. It works for a lot of like sticky club sticker size and things like that. Even a little larger. Here's a little comparison. This is the Travelers Company, the little clear pocket sleeve. So you can see this is a little bit larger, obviously the little width. Okay, and then I have that in here, which has lots of my Travelers Company items and things like that to utilize. And then I have in here some tins with some different cat stickers, so a must. And then another little, this is a vintage tin, and it has some of the little King Jim washi tapes in it, strips. Perfect. And then I have some black wing pencils. And if somebody knows the brand of this, please comment, because I feel like, oh, look at my son, my Joshua gave me a little magnifier. Well, I'd like to say it helps, but it doesn't. It might be, wow, O-R-I-G-I. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. But if somebody knows the brand of this, they have them in different sizes. But what I love is the pencil case holds the black wing, even unsharpened, perfectly. So great. And it goes like this. And then they have a smaller size. Let me flip around and see if I have that real quick to show you. I do. They have a smaller size that I like to keep my little Avery and Martha little labels and such. But this is also cute for lots of other things that it fits in here. I like that it really opens up so you can get in there. Get in there and dig around for your goodies. So again, if no one knows the brand name, I will figure that out and post it, because I do get a lot of questions on it, especially for the black wing pencils. And then I have my traveler's notebook in here, and it has my sketch paper. Let's see, I'm really right up there. It has my watercolor paper, my sketchbook paper. Oh, I don't have my sketchbook paper in here. I need to switch that. But that's really good. And a little insert to throw in for my art journaling. Okay, so this gives you an idea. Also small in the pocket. I have the same thing that I've been carrying in each of them, a small passport watercolor notebook with some of my watercolor swatches. Super cute. Never know when you need to know what colors you have. I got tired of repeating buying my colors, and this is the newest little Midori size A7. It's just so cute. I still need to decorate the inside. Love that. Whoa, a fountain pen, a uni pen. It's so perfect. Okay, so I'm going to show you as I put everything back in. I mentioned before how it has the perfect strap. It's super, like, obviously so lightweight. It's a little canvas bag. They mentioned it just gets like softer and lovelier with time on the BK site, and it really is just so good. It's like the perfect little size next to you. The shoulder strap, you just don't feel it. It doesn't feel like something clunky or bothering you. It just kind of molds right with you. It's so wonderful. Okay, so I have this in here, and there's like plenty of space in there. I don't know if you can see that. We're not super packed. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. My small passport, flip that up. You can see there's lots of room. I still have room that if I want to throw my keys or my golf cart keys if I'm out on my golf cart. Because I live in Peachtree City, Georgia, which is a golf cart community. And we take our golf carts everywhere. So I love that I could just toss my keys on top and there's plenty of space. The thing I really love the most is how nice the zipper is. And that's one-handed. And you know, a lot of times if you make videos, we're like, hold on, we're trying to open. It's just perfection. Okay, so I say that and I use two hands, but it's smooth every single time is my point. This particular patch is also from BK. It is in their like new section of the shop. This is one they no longer make in orange, but in other colors. A Girl Scout, and I've told you guys many times, oh, be careful down the Girl Scout patch hole, because you could take you all over. This one's a painting. I absolutely, love it. I'm so fond of it. This one I shared before. I resist buying those big bulk lots because I pretty much want none of them except for maybe one or two. And so this one's a Girl Scout patch. And what else? Let me think. So here's my bag full, just so you can kind of get that look of it. It's super nice. I normally don't carry this much with me, and I am going to have that video of the comparison for sizing with like the Superior Labor leather zip case along with the canvas zip cases along with the Delphonics zip case, just so you can kind of see that sizing difference and what it holds. And then overall, another video just showing different planners, different sizes, what fits. But I believe you could definitely fit an A5 in here. I would like to see how that fits with like a Hobonichi A5 with the cover. That will be a great little video to see not all, but lots of different little size planners and notebooks and how it fits. So there's a look. Here is a little more thorough look inside without all the items. I don't feel like I've shared that with you guys. It's very simple. I think I really love the simplicity of this, and I really love my Delphonics zip pouch. I've shared that in past videos, but I'm always worried about losing things, and I got to put it inside of a tote bag. And even then, when I pull things out, I feel like things get caught to it. So for travel, I don't take it. It's something that's more like at home with me. But for travel, I love that there's not a bunch of pockets, so things aren't falling out, or for things to get caught on or to spill out. The front little zip pocket, I keep my phone in here, my iPhone. And I love just the one simple pouch, so you don't have to worry about things getting caught and so on. You can use your little, I know many of us have little zip pouches and little coin purses and so on, and you can use those items of yours to organize things and keep them in here. It has the one small pocket. And I did mention, like in my first video, how an outer pocket, maybe not a zip, but something you slide in or a snap, that would be nice. But overall, I think I would probably not use it, because I like how flush this sits up against you when you use it as a crossbody. It's just kind of nice without anything bulking up back there. So I feel like the simplicity of this is perfection. And the size, the simpleness, the size is perfect for planners and journal girls and art, watercolor and sketching, like all those types of supplies. It's perfect to add those items in. And I like that I don't have to take my items out of something I already have them organized in order to fit in here, which is super key for me. So I'm just trying to give you all sorts of little ideas. And the reason why I've made so many little videos and will continue to, because I'm always on the hunt for a nice, sturdy, strong, lightweight bag that I can take with me on adventures and trips and so on, that is not heavy and doesn't, I think the main thing, doesn't feel uncomfortable, and I'm always adjusting it. This feels so nice, and the strap, so this is some metal, and the strap is so lightweight but yet super strong and sturdy, but not bulky or irritating. I'm telling you, I don't know what it is. I feel like this is just the perfect little go-to bag and size. And there's so many different little bags that I'm always altering or trying to make it fit or trying to make it work. And this one just does. It's so simple. It's compact, yet it fits a ton. and the sizing is made to fit so many of the items that we already love and use. So this one is a collab that BK and Ateliers did together. So you'll find a lot of little Ateliers pouches and pencil cases and so on the BK site and other sites, but you won't find this size on other sites. You'll find different ones, but this is the size that I feel like I'm just so in love with. And I did order a smaller one just to kind of see what that was like. So I'll do a comparison video of that for you guys as well. And I just feel like this is definitely going to be my summer go-to bag. I got a second one as just my everyday little carry for summer. I don't like having anything heavy on me for summer, but yet super functional. I want a lot out of a little bag. So anyways, this is it. And if you guys have gotten one and you watch the videos, let me know how you're loving and enjoying it or how you're utilizing it. And if you have a video linked to one, you're welcome to share it in the comments. So myself and others who follow can visit your YouTube or Insta or something and see how you've organized yours. I love to share. And so I'm totally good with it as long as it's this bag. So we're not searching all kinds of stuff you're sharing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give that little like button a click. And thank you guys for being here with me. For my subscribers and new subscribers, I love and appreciate you. And if you have an idea of something you want to see in this tote bag or something, leave it in the comments. I'm going to be having like a monthly little video for your questions. And if it's with this bag, it can be in an upcoming video regarding that. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Here's some other videos for you to take a look at that I think you might like, or some of these past videos. And if you enjoy some of those and you know someone else that would love it, share away.